Hello my lovelies, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. I am doing a really quick recording because I'm going to be switching out the straps on my Louis Vuitton Escort toiletry pouch 26 limited edition toiletry pouch, and I have in it a felt purse organizer that I purchased off of, oh, you can't see that. Yeah, I purchased a felt organizer off of Amazon, and I have a whole video on how to attach these straps to your Louis Vuitton toiletry 26 to make it into like a crossbody, and I will add that down below. Basically, these are attached via the little holes in here. I do love to carry this as a crossbody, but sometimes I want to switch it up. This does have to go through there so that it doesn't lead to trouble. So I'm just doing a quick changeover of the strap so I can turn this into a shoulder bag, because I do prefer to carry a shoulder bag. So let's see how that will look. I got a chunky strap this time off of Amazon, and I'm not even sure if it's gonna work because these here are slightly bigger than the other one, but hey, let's try it. This should be an SMR video with all that clanking noises. Yay, it fits perfect. Look at this, I cut myself taking out my leather. That was not a fun experience. And let's do the other side. Ugh. Excuse my nails. Once my finger heals, I will, obviously go and get a manicure. But for now, this is how we live. Oh. I think that actually... Now, let's see what it's going to be like once I close it. Oh... Okay, I think I'm kind of loving that. Let's do a quick body shot. I'm actually really loving this. This is just a chunky strap that I bought off of Amazon, but it fits perfectly over my shoulder, and I actually prefer to carry a shoulder bag. I love that this is nice and thin, fits perfectly under there. I think I'm gonna get a lot more use out of this as a shoulder bag with my chunky strap, and instead of using it as a crossbody strap. So there you go guys, that's what it looks like. Pretty cute, huh? I think it's really cute. Remember what I always say, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day for yourself. Make the right choice for you.